How to make header and footer smaller in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to make the header of your Wix website and also the footer of it smaller. So we are going basically here to head over at wix.com, sign in for an account, then we are going to find the site's dashboard. So basically you're going to select the website that you want to make that procedure for. As you can see, I have selected already a website and I am on the setup page of it. So we're going to click on design site just like that and wait for a few seconds until we are going to find our website loaded. So as you can see, this is the full website of mine. As you can see, I have a pretty big header, and let's check out for the footer, and it is going to be having a big footer. So how we can make them smaller? Basically, it is going to be a matter of resizing and also emptying the header and footer from some, let's say, non-needed items. For example, I can go ahead and put this or make the, as you can see, the header a little bit smaller. I can go ahead and delete maybe the horizontal menu like that and make this part unavailable. So I can go ahead and do that. Very simple. Or I can go ahead and have the first part, as you can see, with the text deleted because maybe I do not need it, something like that. It doesn't matter a lot, so this is going to be the first thing. So make sure that you're not going to be deleting all the specific header, as you can see, component, but also you are going to preserve them. So for the footer, it is going to be the same, as you can see, procedure. We can go ahead and have this one, the adjustment of the height. So I can go ahead and have it a little bit reduced for the height, and also I can go ahead and make the footer a little bit smaller by having, for example, some of the elements of it a little bit like this. So I can go ahead and delete some of the items. Maybe you're going to delete some of the spaces that are going to be here and there. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.